Battle Day 2, Buff Booster, 5-star, no nature, and top 25. Oh. Well, those two hits cancel each other out, so I was in E right at the start of the day. Fine. Those two are today's. So 1, 2, 3. Lost 4, 1, 1. Wow. What, 20%? 28.5%. Yikes. Okay. Oh God. There we go. Good old Aramis at 90. Okay. So we're looking at Anti-Minion. Is she just front 3? Caster and nearby. Okay. So let's go for okay, let's go for Alucard in there. And let's go for Grimble. No. Let's go for Wang Topaz. Do we have a Dispeller? No, sod it. Go for it. Okay. Let's do that. Let's do that. And I'll go there. Alrighty. Nice. Right, let's get Alucard going. Nice. Does she do target and nearby, reduce mana, yada 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 yada. Okay. Okay. You know what? Misses. Bloody hell, he hits hard. Okay. Sod it, go for it. Let's do that one there. Do that one there. Ooh, okay. Let's see. Ogima at 90. Fine. She is immune to... yeah. Alright. So we want holies against her and dark. I think we really need to go dark. Let's go dark with one holy. 3-2. 3-2. Oh, we don't want her because of Ogima. No. Right, let's see. Dark, 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 dark. Might as well keep Guinevere in. Okay. Hurricane's not quite ready for this one, but yeah. Let's go that. Let's go with that and Senin. Gosek's a bit too slow for this. Let's go with Hannah. Ooh, a Ninja Assassin Fiend. Go for it. Oh, come on. There we go. Finally. Okay. I'm going to make the suggested move, I think. Wow. Just wow. Right. Let's go over there. Okay, that one down there. And that should be a kill. Oh, good God. Right, well, we don't need her. We do need purples. Let's go with that one. We do need a heal. Thinking there, and a cleanse. Oh, we need a dispel, don't we? No, we just stay away from him for 4 turns. 4 turns? 4 turns. An eternity. Oh, good God, no, because if you cleanse that, if you remove it, then you get, yikes, a lot of damage on you. Okay, let's go with Znolfa. Yeah. Go for it. Go for it, go for it. Stay away. Right. So many different things to counter because there's so many different abilities and passives and yada 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 yada. Oh, for crying out loud. This is not a good board. Ow. Okay. Is that going to be enough to kill him? Now where? Oh, only an 85. Right, okay. Ugh, but the 90 Aramis on the corner. Right, okay. Okie dokie dokie. Holy, holy, holy. Holy, holy, holy. Let's go with... Let's go with Erlang. I'm going to go with Kara. I need a heal, and I think I'm going to go Zuri for that. And... Guinevere, or do I go Kalervo? I'm going to go Kalervo. What does he do? Let's not go for Kalervo. Let's go for... Topaz. Mono. Ah, dear. What am I doing to myself? What I'm doing to myself is dying. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go down there. Okay. Ooh. Let's Ghost. Didn't help. Let's Ghost. Didn't help. Right. If he fires... and then he fires, I'm screwed. So let's get him to fire first. Something in. No, we didn't get anything in. That is just ridiculous. And of course the healer gets goosed. Give me some holy tiles, you... son of a bitch. Come on, holy... Oh, I'm dead. Okay. Oh, for crying out loud. Right, okay. Don't get the tiles, you go mono, and it's just game over. Let's see if I can get a... No. Okay. Water pipe. And what does he get at 90? Heal increase. Does she get at 90? Defense up. Oi, oi, oi. I've not got any of these lunar year family ones, so water pipe's a real danger. Okay, let's go with rain. I'll go past that. Grimble. Yeah, go for it. Dangerous team, this. Come on. Hit. Come on. Launch. Oh, Jesus wept. Come on. Do it. Do it. There we go. That's going to do it. Nice. Well, let's go 3. Let's go do that one. No, don't do the cascades. Ah, crap. It's always a cascade, isn't there? Right. Okay. You. I do you. Let's do you. Let's go green. Ooh-wee. To him. 4. But never mind. Okay, that's the big danger gone. Let's see. I need. Oh. Oh, nice. You're a pain in the ass. Dodges. Yes. Thank you. Who do I kill? What does she do? Recovers health. No, you don't. Let's go down there. Thank you. Let's do a rumble. Now, that last one, no, not that last one, that one there, I mean, you've got a 90 Aramis and only an 85 Ludwig. Aramis should have been your tank. I mean, I know I lost that one, but I mean, that was tiles. Really, you know, Aramis needs to be your tank. Okay, anyway, too long. Lost one again today. Lovely. And yeah. E. Never mind. Okay. Hope yours is going well, and I will catch you on the next one.